Hello everybody. Welcome back to my channel Sang Pemandu. Today I just want to show you the local rare Asian fruit. Rare Asian plantation fruit. Maybe you know that's I think everybody in Indonesia know this fruit, know this plantation. Knows this plantation. I think in Indonesian people, but I think if you abroad to another country, maybe you don't know this fruit. Maybe you don't know this fruit. Maybe you don't know this plantation name of this fruit. Guys. Maybe is in Indonesian we call sukun. I think sukun plantation. In Indonesia, but I don't know But in English, maybe it's breadfruit. Okay, yeah, that's right. It's breadfruit in English, but I don't know in Latin language. This is a breadfruit in English, but in Indonesian language we call sukun. A lot the benefit of this bread fruit. I think you can fry it. Become the fried food, and then I think it's I just know bread fruit for the fried food. This is the close to the main road, guys, so you can see right before it's the car transportation go along this way. This is because the bread fruit along close to the main road, guys, so I just catch it with my simple camera. You can see that main road over there, right? Yeah, I think it's so close to the main road. This breadfruit, and Indonesian language we call sukun. Okay, guys, thank a lot to support this channel. I hope you enjoy this video. That's close to the small restaurant. I think it's this breadfruit plantation in front of the small restaurant in this road, guys. So I just take with my simple camera before I go to the small restaurant. So I take this breadfruit plantation with my simple camera. I just touch the tree, yeah, the sukun tree. You can see that. I think the tree is a little bit big. I think it's the age is I think around 10 years more, guys. That's the breadfruit over there. A lot the breadfruit hang on over there. Sometimes close, sometimes it's so far away. This is too close to me. Hey guys, thank a lot to support this channel. I hope you enjoy this video. See you the next video. Oke kawan-kawan, ini adalah buah sukun ya. Mungkin orang-orang Indonesia udah tahu ya. Ini karena rendah sekali di depan rumah makan Padang ya. Jadi aku ambil ya videonya dan aku coba memegangnya hanya untuk konten saja. Semoga kawan-kawan terhibur dengan video ini. Ini di pinggir jalan ya. Semoga terima kasih yang sudah support, like, comment, share, dan subscribe video ini. Oke guys, thank you. Bye-bye.